A portable washer can save space, money, and a lot of trips to the laundromat. But the differences between these machines are bigger than they first appear. Here are the 5 models worth comparing, ranked from strongest overall to weakest. Our number 1 pick is the Rovsun. On paper, it offers the largest stated load capacity in this comparison, and that immediately makes it interesting for anyone who wants fewer wash cycles during the week. The 10 wash modes and 5 water levels give you more control than you get with the Black+Decker or Comfee. There is also a 26-minute quick cycle, a built-in drain pump, a self-cleaning stainless steel tub, and power failure memory. In everyday use, that means you can start a load, deal with a short power interruption, and avoid setting everything up again. But here's the point you need to know. At just over 57 pounds, this is portable mainly because it can be moved when necessary, not because you will want to carry it around often. Spin noise can also reach 70 decibels, and the available information does not clearly confirm selectable water temperatures or warranty coverage. For larger apartment loads, family laundry, or anyone who wants strong capacity without buying a full-size washer, this is the most complete option here. But if clear warranty support and temperature control matter more to you, the next model may feel safer. Links to all products from this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. In second place is the Black+Decker. It does not have the largest stated load capacity, but it stands out for something the other models do not clearly offer: verified hot, warm, and cold water settings. You get 6 useful cycles, including normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. There is also automatic unbalance detection, child lock, automatic shutoff, and a 24-hour delay start. I have to say, the documentation and 1-year warranty make this model feel more dependable than several lesser-known competitors. The biggest drawback is the weight. At nearly 80 pounds, it is by far the heaviest washer here. So while the rollers help, moving it between rooms or storing it after every load could become annoying. It also offers only 3 water levels, while Rovsun and Nictemaw provide more adjustment. This is a strong choice for anyone who values temperature control, clear instructions, and established manufacturer support. But for buyers who want something lighter with a faster published spin speed, the next washer becomes more interesting. And if this comparison is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Third place goes to the Auertech. What stood out to me immediately is the balance between capacity, size, and weight. It holds more laundry than the Black+Decker on paper, yet it weighs much less. The 7 programs and 4 water levels cover most everyday needs, while the published 1,600 revolution per minute spin speed is the highest in this comparison. In practice, stronger spin extraction can leave clothes with less water before air drying. You also get a built-in drain pump, child lock, tub cleaning mode, and adjustable feet. But exactly here, there is also a limitation. The warranty lasts only 9 months, which is shorter than the coverage provided with the Black+Decker and Comfee. It can also reach 70 decibels during spinning, and there are no clearly published water temperature options. This model makes sense for someone who wants a compact washer that feels easier to move and can remove more water during the spin stage. If your available floor space is even tighter, however, the next machine is smaller. In fourth place is the Comfee, and this model has a very clear purpose. It is the smallest and lightest verified option in the group, so it fits where the larger machines may simply take up too much room. You get 5 cycles, 3 water levels, automatic unbalance detection, a stainless steel tub, rear rollers, and side handles. You can also adjust wash time, rinse count, and spin time. That flexibility is useful when you're washing a few shirts, towels, or smaller daily loads rather than filling a large drum. The trade-off is capacity. At 0.9 cubic feet, this machine is far behind the others for bedding, bulky clothing, or several days of laundry. Its 840 revolution per minute spin speed is also much lower than the Auertech figure, so clothes may retain more moisture after spinning. For a studio apartment, dorm room, recreational vehicle, or one-person household, the compact design may matter more than drum size. But if you want a much larger stated capacity and a similarly small footprint, the final model looks stronger on paper, though it comes with more uncertainty. The Nictemaw takes 5th place. Its feature list is actually one of the strongest here, with 10 programs, 8 water levels, a 24-hour delay start, and separate wash-only and spin-only functions. The compact 19 by 19-inch footprint is impressive for the stated capacity. It also includes automatic imbalance adjustment, child lock, a stainless steel tub, and a built-in drain pump. Compared with the Comfee, it offers much more room and far more control over water levels. But there is a problem. The available specifications are not fully consistent. Different materials describe the capacity as either 2.3 or 2.4 cubic feet. Reliable weight information was not available, and warranty coverage is unclear. The features look good, but confidence in the published data is lower than with the other models. This may suit someone who wants many settings and a compact footprint, and is comfortable checking the exact specifications with the seller before buying. For buyers who prefer clearer documentation and support, one of the higher-ranked machines is the safer choice. Check the links in the description to see the top portable washers and compare the latest available prices. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical product comparisons.